In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete Amazon order. Start by heading to Amazon.com in your browser or open the Amazon app on your phone. Sign into your account by selecting sign in and entering your email or mobile number followed by your password. If you're brand new to Amazon, choose create account first and follow the prompts. Make sure you're on the correct regional site for your location and keep your login details private. If Amazon asks for a security code, that's normal and helps protect your account. Next, find the item you want. Use the search bar at the top, type the product name and press enter. Browse through the results and take a moment to narrow them down with filters like price range, brand, average rating, and the prime toggle if you want faster shipping. Sorting and filtering will save you time and help you land on the most relevant options. When you see something you like, click into the product page. Here, choose any required options such as size or color and set the quantity you need. Scan the details on the page, including seller information and return policy, so you know exactly what you're getting. If you plan to keep shopping, click Add to Cart. If you're ready to check out immediately, select Buy Now to move straight into the checkout using your default settings. Before you pay, review your cart. Click the cart icon to see all items you've added. Confirm the correct product variations and adjust the quantity if necessary. When everything looks right, click. Proceed to checkout. Now confirm where your order should go. Select a saved shipping address or add a new one if you're sending it someplace different. Double check that apartment or unit numbers are included. Choose your delivery speed, standard, expedited, or prime delivery if it's available for your item. Faster options may increase the shipping cost, so glance at the estimated delivery date and price. Choose how you want to pay. You can use a credit or debit card, an Amazon gift card balance, a bank account, or installments if that option is offered in your country. Add new payment details if needed, and be sure the billing information matches your statement to avoid delays. Take a final look before you commit. Verify the item details, shipping address, payment method, and the total amount, including taxes and shipping. If everything is correct, click Place your order. You'll see a confirmation screen and receive a confirmation email. To track your package, go to your orders where you can follow the status from processing to delivery. That's it. Your Amazon order is complete.